Hey friends, Miss Sonia here, and we are going to explore pumpkins today. If you have a pumpkin, you can have a grown-up help you cut it in half, and you can explore with us, or you can watch this. Okay, so I went and got some pumpkins out of my garden, 2 pumpkins, and I cut them in half so that we can look at the inside. And first we're going to talk about how they feel on the outside. This is the skin. And it feels kind of smooth, or maybe a little bit bumpy. This is the stem. It feels really rough. And the stem would normally connect to a vine because pumpkins grow on vines, it's called. All right. And if you look inside the pumpkin, here's the seeds. These little things in here, you can see those. Those are the seeds. They're cut in half so you can see right inside the seeds, which is pretty cool. If they're not cut in half, they look like this, kind of teardrop shaped. They have little strings coming off of them. Those are called fibrous strands. That's a big word, but it just means strings that connect everything and hold it together. All right, pumpkins have a lot of seeds in them. There we go, and there's a better view of the inside. And this on the outside, under the skin, but before the seeds, is called the pulp. And when you carve pumpkins, it's the part you scrape a lot of that out. All right. And this is really special. This right here is a pumpkin flower. Did you know that pumpkin plants have flowers? I thought that was pretty cool when I found that out. It's a pumpkin flower to make the plant beautiful and to help it reproducing in new plants. That's the flower's job. One of their jobs. All right, so we have 2 different pumpkins here. One's bigger and one's smaller. See, you put this together, there's a bigger pumpkin. You put this one together, there's a littler pumpkin. I wonder what some of the differences are between these 2 pumpkins, besides that one's bigger and one's littler. It looks like this one has more seeds than this one, doesn't have as many. Maybe it gets more seeds as it gets bigger. It also has more pulp. The pulp is thicker between the skin and the seeds. It's also a little bit different colors. This one's a little darker inside, it looks like. It has more of the fibers that hold everything together between the seeds. That's pretty cool. The stem is a little bit thicker on this one too. But they're both kind of bumpy, and they're both kind of orangish yellow. And they're both pretty neat. So, if you have a grown-up that is okay with it, maybe you can take apart a pumpkin sometime, either along with this video or later. And you can take out some of the guts and see what's inside. See if you can find the seeds and the pulp and the skin and all the different parts. Thank you for doing this with us. This was a lot of fun. We'll see you in the next video, okay? Thanks. Bye.